little package. This is the bolt kit for the GSX-R 600 build. Basically the bolt. Supposedly it comes with all the bolts and the fairing fasteners and the grommets that you need, the washers for the bike, supposedly. So these ones are the small fairing bolts. Those on the side, I believe, for the windscreen and some of the side. So it is nice. Yep. I believe this 5mm Allen key. This one, yeah, these ones are the same. No, they're different. Well, they got different bolts on them, different sizes. They're all gold. It's gonna look nice when the bike is finished. The bike is red, so it comes with the fasteners, the Allen keys, both of them, some screws, and well, I believe they said everything is here to put it back together. So, and that will make look the bike nice, give it another look to the bike, especially with the gold bolts. Nice touch to it. And this one was a good deal. It was $28, free shipping and handling, and it took like 3 days to get here. So if you guys want to buy some bolts, these ones are cheap, but they will do the job. You don't want to spend a lot of money on bolts on Ace hardware store or Home Depot. So these ones are your choice, and you have like spare if you miss, you throw some away or they broke, so you have some extra ones that you can put to your bike, or you know how it is. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.